Hi friends, it's Stephen at Goodie Goodie, and I'm making orange jelly. Start by putting the jelly powder in a bowl. Add 1 cup of boiling water. And we stir it up to dissolve all of that jelly powder. Still stirring. Like that. And now we add 1 cup of freezing cold water. And stir that. That's pretty much it. Then filling up the dessert bowls. Trying to make them as even as possible by eye. Very nice. And they go in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to chill. And adding the whipped cream from a can, I might add. Oh, number 2 went a little wonky. And the rest look pretty good. Join us next time when we make something a little more challenging. And don't forget to like and subscribe.